Okay, gonna make one of my favorite crock pot recipes today in the microwave pressure cooker. It's real easy. It's called Salsa Chicken. So I'm gonna take about 2 pounds of chicken tenders. You can use chicken breasts as well. And then 1 can of black beans and 1 can of corn. I've already rinsed the black beans and everything. So you dump that in there. Then you take 1 jar of salsa, pour it all over. And you can season this however you'd like. I'm putting a little bit of garlic and a little bit of chipotle. And you mix it all up. Okay, I'm going to put it in for 25 minutes, and then when it's done, it's served over brown rice.